Hello everyone, and welcome back to the AI Waves channel. I'm your host Maurice, and today we're exploring the fascinating topic of AI and environmental health. Our world faces an increasing array of environmental challenges: climate change, pollution, biodiversity loss, you name it. Keeping an eye on the health of our planet has never been more critical. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, steps in, armed with the power to revolutionize our approach towards environmental health. Imagine being able to predict environmental changes, monitor conditions in real time, or even take proactive steps to protect our natural surroundings. Well, it's not just a flight of fancy. AI is making it a reality, transforming the way we understand and interact with our environment. From remote sensing to air quality prediction, wildlife conservation to combating ocean pollution, and even predicting the impacts of climate change, AI is at the forefront, providing us with invaluable insights and solutions. As we face the growing challenges of climate change, pollution, and biodiversity loss, AI is emerging as a powerful tool to safeguard our natural world. One of the most exciting applications of AI in environmental health is in the realm of remote sensing. Imagine a world where we can track environmental changes on a global scale in real time. Sounds like science fiction, right? But with the advent of artificial intelligence, this is becoming our reality. Let's take a look at how AI and machine learning are revolutionizing remote sensing to keep a pulse on our planet's health. Satellites and drones equipped with state-of-the-art sensors are our eyes in the sky. They tirelessly collect vast amounts of data about the Earth's surface, capturing everything from temperature and humidity levels to vegetation health and water quality. But here's the catch. This data is so vast and complex, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. And that's where AI comes in. Machine learning algorithms, a subset of AI, are masters at making sense of this complexity. They can analyze these massive datasets in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies that might signal environmental distress. This is a game changer for environmental monitoring. To illustrate, consider the work being done at Stanford University. Researchers there have developed an AI model that can detect and map oil spills in the ocean using data from satellite radar imagery. It's like having a super detective on the case, able to spot the tiniest clues in a sea of information. This kind of early detection is critical for minimizing the damage from oil spills, helping us take swift action to protect marine ecosystems. But it doesn't stop there. AI-powered remote sensing is also being used to monitor deforestation, track glacier retreat, and even predict natural disasters. It's like having a global watchdog, ever vigilant and ready to alert us to potential environmental threats. In the battle to protect our planet, every second counts. Thanks to AI and remote sensing, we're now able to monitor our environment on an unprecedented scale, helping us take proactive steps to safeguard our natural world. Early detection enabled by AI is critical for minimizing the damage from oil spills and protecting marine ecosystems. AI is also playing a key role in monitoring and predicting air quality, a major public health concern in many parts of the world. Imagine you're walking down the street. You can't see it, but you're surrounded by invisible particles and gases that can affect your health. How do we measure these invisible threats? The answer lies in harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence algorithms are the unsung heroes in our fight against air pollution. They tirelessly analyze data from a myriad of sources, sensors scattered across cities, weather patterns, and even traffic flows. These algorithms crunch numbers, identify patterns, and churn out highly localized air quality forecasts. This means we can have real-time updates on the air quality in our very own neighborhoods, helping us make informed decisions to reduce our exposure to harmful pollutants. But it's not just about personal health. These AI-powered forecasts also provide invaluable information for policymakers, urban planners, and environmental scientists. They guide decisions on everything from the timing of traffic restrictions to the planning of green spaces, all with the aim of creating healthier, cleaner cities. Let's take a closer look at an example. In London, a project aptly named Breathe London is turning the tide against air pollution. This initiative leverages a network of AI-powered sensors distributed across the city, creating a real-time map of air quality. This map is not just a static image. It's a dynamic tool that shows how air quality changes throughout the day and across different parts of the city. This detailed air quality information empowers both policymakers and citizens. Policymakers can identify pollution hotspots and devise strategies to mitigate them. On the other hand, citizens can use this information to minimize their exposure to harmful pollutants. For instance, they might choose to take a different route to work or school, or plan their outdoor activities when and where the air quality is better. It's clear that AI has a transformative role in predicting and monitoring air quality. As we continue to refine these algorithms and expand the network of sensors, we can look forward to a future where everyone has access to real-time, localized air quality information. AI-powered sensors empower policymakers and citizens to take action against pollution hotspots. Another area where AI is making a big impact is in wildlife conservation. As the threats to our planet's biodiversity increase, technology is stepping up to the plate, offering innovative solutions to age-old challenges. Artificial intelligence, in particular, is proving to be a game changer. From the dense rainforests of the Amazon to the icy expanses of the Arctic, AI is helping us keep a closer watch on our planet's wildlife. It's being used to analyze data from camera traps, acoustic sensors, and other monitoring tools. These high-tech devices silently and unobtrusively gather invaluable data, providing a window into the secret lives of some of the world's most endangered species. But it's not just about collecting data. The real magic happens when AI algorithms start crunching the numbers. By identifying patterns and trends, AI can help researchers track the movements and behaviors of these elusive creatures. This information can then be used to identify threats to their habitats and develop targeted conservation strategies. One fantastic example of this is the Elephant Listening Project. Deep in the rainforests of Central Africa, researchers are using AI to analyze recordings of elephant vocalizations. These gentle giants have a complex language all of their own, and understanding it could be key to their survival. By analyzing the calls, AI is providing valuable insights into elephant communication and population dynamics. And it's not just elephants that are benefiting from AI. From tracking the migratory patterns of birds to monitoring the health of coral reefs, AI is helping protect a diverse array of species and ecosystems around the world. As we move forward, the role of AI in wildlife conservation is only set to grow. With its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, AI offers a powerful tool in the fight against biodiversity loss. Non-invasive monitoring, enabled by AI, is crucial for protecting vulnerable species without disrupting their natural behaviors. In the delicate balance of nature, every creature plays its part. And thanks to AI, we're getting better at ensuring they can continue to do so for generations to come. AI is also being harnessed to combat one of the biggest threats to our oceans: plastic pollution. This is a global problem of epic proportions. Every year, we dump millions of tons of plastic into our seas, posing a serious threat to marine life and ecosystems. But here's the good news. Artificial intelligence is stepping in to help us turn the tide on this crisis. At the forefront of this fight is the University of Barcelona, where researchers are developing an innovative solution. They've created a robot powered by artificial intelligence that can autonomously detect and collect floating plastic waste. This isn't your average robot, though. It's been trained with advanced computer vision algorithms to distinguish between different types of debris. This means it can selectively collect plastic waste, leaving natural materials undisturbed. That's a game changer in the battle against ocean pollution. But how does it work? Well, the robot uses a combination of cameras and sensors to scan its surroundings. These devices feed data back to the AI system, which processes the information to identify pieces of plastic. The robot then moves towards the detected debris, scoops it up and stores it in an onboard compartment for later disposal. It's a remarkable example of how AI can be used to solve real-world environmental problems. Now imagine deploying fleets of these AI-powered robots in heavily polluted areas. Picture them working tirelessly, day and night, picking up plastic waste before it has a chance to harm marine life. The impact could be phenomenal. Even if these robots were to collect just a fraction of the plastic waste dumped into the ocean every year, it would still represent a significant reduction. Of course, this technology is just one piece of the puzzle. We also need to focus on reducing our overall plastic consumption and improving recycling rates. But it's a step in the right direction, and it shows the potential of AI in addressing environmental challenges. Deploying fleets of these AI-powered robots in heavily polluted areas could significantly reduce the amount of plastic entering our oceans every year. And that's a future we can all look forward to. Finally, AI is helping us better understand and predict the impacts of climate change on our planet. Climate change is a complex phenomenon, and its effects are far-reaching and intricate. Data is at the heart of comprehending this complexity. We have a plethora of information at our disposal, from temperature trends and atmospheric carbon dioxide levels to ocean currents and melting ice caps. However, sorting through this colossal amount of data and discerning patterns is a monumental task. This is where artificial intelligence steps in. Machine learning algorithms can sift through these vast data sets, identifying patterns and making predictions about future changes. For instance, researchers are using AI to forecast sea level rises, predict changes in weather patterns, and even estimate the impact of climate change on global food production. AI's role in environmental health is not just about monitoring. It's also about predicting and ultimately enabling us to take proactive steps to protect our planet.